Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the replacement fuel gas door that fits the 2008 to 2020 Dodge Challenger. Now, as you can see here, this fuel door here looks very similar to the one that comes factory on the Challenger. It includes the tab over here that you go ahead and flip open, and your gas cap would be located there. This is a direct replacement for the factory the factory gas cap assembly on the Charger. And if you'll look around here, you'll see that there's all these clips located around here. So when you go to install this on your vehicle, the factory one actually pops out and this one pops right back in. You may need to use some non-marring plastic pry tools to pop the factory one out. And you want to make sure when you put the new one in, it is aligned properly so that the clips pop in. Now, if you guys have any questions about the gas door, whether it's going to fit your vehicle or anything to do with installation, please feel free to reach out. We'll be glad to help.